Merry Christmas Eve. I can't believe it's almost Christmas. Christmas is tomorrow. Welcome to the very last episode of Plan Year 2019. So I know you're busy today. I know there's lots of things going on, so I'm going to keep this short and simple. We spend a lot of time going after our goals. That time spent should be fun. That's a lot of time, and it's part of the goal. So today's challenge is I want you to make sure that your journey towards your goal is a fun one, that you are enjoying the time that you are spending towards your goal. If you see that it's not fun for you, that you're not enjoying it, then I want you to adjust. Adjust things so that you are enjoying the journey, because really the journey is 9/10 of the thing. Right? Okay. What I would like for you to do today is to take the goal that you made back on December 7th and list 5 ways that you can make that goal fun as you work towards it. Make that journey fun. Not just the celebration at the end of the road, but the entire road to get there. My 5 things that I chose to make my goal of finishing my class are the following. Number 1, I'm going to make the projects for my class in my favorite color so that they make me happy as well as being functional for the class. I'm going to make myself a cup of tea or something else warm and nice that I can have to sip on as I create. I'm going to share my progress along the way on social media so that I can get excitement from you and that everyone can sort of put their input and get excited about the class as well. Before I film any of the class videos, I'm going to put some music on, dance it out, and really get myself pumped up so that I have a lot of energy in the videos. And number 5, the tedious parts, the things I don't like to do, I'm going to spread them out and do them a little bit at a time, spread out from now until February 15th so that it doesn't seem like a big chore, because usually I leave it to the end and then I was like, oh, I have to do all this now. So if I spread it out and do little chunks at a time, then it won't be such a big chore at the end. Okay, that's it. That's our very last episode of Plan Year 2019. Let me know in the comments below at least one of the things you're going to do to make your journey to your goal a little more fun. If you miss any of the episodes in Plan Year 2019, you can check out the playlist. I'll put it in the description below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe so that you won't miss any of the videos in 2019. So we can keep each other accountable as we work towards the goals we set. Okay, have a fantastic Christmas and I will see you in 2019. Have a fantastic day and happy planning. Number one.